In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete rows and columns on your tables in Google Slides. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so I'd like to go ahead and delete one column on this table and also this row that is below here. So to do this, go ahead and click inside the cell or box that is next to the column or row that you want to delete, and then right click on it. Here we have options to insert rows and columns. However, for my case, I want to delete. So I want to delete a row and I also want to delete a column. To delete a row, just click on delete and you can see that has been deleted. If I want to delete a column, again, I can just come here and then delete a column and you can see it has been deleted. Should you want to add, you can still do the same and now insert row or column and it will be inserted. So that's how you can delete rows and columns in Google Slides. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.